Hey guys, today I'm gonna be making another dish in one pot. It's going to be a creamy tomato spinach gnocchi. Another simple recipe you can throw together quickly. 20 minutes. In 20 minutes you have a beautiful lunch or dinner and healthy at the same time. There's a lot of veggies in this dish. It's delicious like always, so enjoy and let's go. Spinach originally came from Persia. This area is now called Iran. And first they thought that the spinach is just a weed, and then later they discovered all the great benefits that spinach has. Unlike most the other veggies, cooked spinach intensifies the health benefits. Spinach is full of vitamins, minerals, and all the good stuff. Vitamin C and A, as well as iron. Fun fact, there is a festival, Spinach Festival in Alma, Arkansas in April every year, which is also spinach capital of the world. And that's it for today. I told you it's gonna be super simple. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, please give me a like and subscribe below. Share this recipe with your friends, show them these videos so we can spread these amazing and quick simple recipes everywhere, and I'll see you next time.